Today I'm taking a look at the digital handheld tachometer. So we got our instructions and we've got our tachometer. That's nice. So it actually comes with 4 AA batteries. And I appreciate you don't need to have a screwdriver to change those out. So it starts that on. So it even is written on here, it is a range of 60 to 40,000 RPM. So that is quite a bit. So the way this is going to work is right now it is set for 600 RPM. So if we press the light button on the side, then you can see that flickering. That is going to be essentially what this does. This is going to work as a stroboscope. So if you ever use a stroboscope, you're going to be looking at something that's spinning. You just press this button and then that will appear to freeze it in time if it is synced up properly. So then to sync that up properly, all we're going to do is increase or decrease the speed until it appears to have frozen. Then we will know what the RPM is. So we have up and down, that is what we use to adjust it. We have fine and backlight, so if we long press, now we got our backlight. And if we short press, you can see fine in the corner. So now we can adjust in much finer increments. So when you get a kind of a coarse measurement set, then you can get that exact measurement. It also has memory, so if we want this to start up at 500 and we'll say 550. We hit memory. Now if I shut this off and I turn it back on, it can go right back to 550. But we'll also store up to 10 different settings. So we got 550. I'll just go ahead and add a bunch more. Now if I hit read, it will cycle through all those. So if I had a bunch of different measurements that had different areas in the scale, we can use that to quickly adjust between them.
Say it's kind of moving. Adjust that. Right there. You see it's kind of stopped.
So yeah, kind of an awkward way of doing it, but the thing does work. Plus on top of that, just having a stroboscope is actually a pretty nice thing to have. So yeah, that is a very cool tool.